Found around Festival Mall's busy walkways and crowded spaces, a different kind of community quietly goes about its day. Scattered around the area, cats can be seen watching people pass by, completely unbothered by the rush of city life. With collars around their necks and feeding stations nearby, it's clear these furry residents aren't alone. But that leaves one question. Where do they come from? And who's taking care of these feline friends?
Cats of Festival Mall aims to feed po yung mga cats natin dito sa Festival Mall. So, marami kasi sila talaga.
2023 na-establish yung page, pero nag-create nun, FEU student. Nakilala ko lang din. Ang name niya si Rian. Graduate na siya ngayon, working na yun.
Since cats are pretty territorial, so ito na talaga yung naging home nila. So it's a good thing that we have like an organization or volunteers as well, group of volunteers who can be able to feed them in a timely manner, of course.
Other than yung pagpapakain namin sa mga cats, part rin nung ginagawa namin is yung mga TNVR, pagpapavaccine para sa mga cats natin sa TNVR, trap, neuter, vaccinate, and return.
In terms of diet plans, each volunteer kasi have different, let's say, budget when it comes to buying the cat foods.
Mostly personal funds yung nag-sustain sa food and medicines ng mga cats namin. Although, meron din namang ibang tao na nagdo-donate, like monetary, yung iba nagpapadala ng wet food and cat food.
What you will be able to see sa mga collars ng cats is meron silang sign na do not pet.
Yung do not pet na yun ay for both the safety of the person tapos yung cat. Kasi may mga cats na inaalaw nila yung ibang tao, even strangers, na hawakan sila. At a certain extent yun. May mga, pag na-overstimulate sila, dun na papasok yung cases ng scratching, ng biting.
A lot of times, if a cat tries to scratch you, ganun, probably may nagawa kang mali for me.
So as much as possible, sana i-respect nung ibang bypassers na na lang sila. Tingnan na lang sila from malayo.
In case that anyone who's watching this is or are interested in volunteering with us, I would really recommend to join us, of course, kasi we do really have like few volunteers lang. You guys can reach out to our Facebook page, the Cats of Festival Mall Alabang. So you can be able to, if ever that you're interested to send some donations, either cash or let's say medicines or cat foods for the cats, that would be great as well.
Be kind lang to the animals other than, ito ay Cats of Festival Mall na organization, pero just be kind to every other animal. So pati mga stray cats, stray dogs.
Kawawa kasi sila, yun yung parang namin, no? Parang nakikita mo sa sarili mo na paano kung ako yun? Paano kung halimbawa anak mo pala yun? Parang kasi diba may buhay din sila. So, ang naging ko doon, ayoko silang dumami, ayokong magutom, kaya ang naging ko, mapakapun ko sila lahat.